Unlock a world of free entertainment right on your Apple TV. No subscription fees required. Let's dive into how you can start watching movies for absolutely nothing on your Apple TV first. We'll explore some fantastic free streaming apps available directly through the App Store on your Apple TV. On your Apple TV, navigate to the App Store, use the search function and type in free movies or specific app names like Pluto TV, Tubi, or Crackle. These apps offer a vast library of movies and TV shows that are completely free to watch, supported by advertisements. Once you find an app you like, select Get, and then Install. After installation, open the app. You'll usually find categories like Movies, where you can browse through a diverse selection. Simply tap on a movie to start streaming. Beyond dedicated free streaming apps, keep an eye out for promotional offers. Many services occasionally offer free movie rentals or purchases for a limited time. To find these, go to the TV app on your Apple TV and look for banners or sections promoting special deals. You can also leverage services that provide a rotating selection of free content, often with the option to rent or buy. But sometimes with free watch periods, think about services like Apple's own TV app, which sometimes features free-to-watch collections, or even specific movie studio apps that might have free trailers or select full-length films during special events. Don't forget that some apps might require you to create a free account to access their content. This is a simple process, usually involving an email address and password. So, open up your Apple TV, head to the App Store, and start exploring these avenues to enjoy free movies today.